younger dudes ride a Subaru or do some gay shit like Ron fucking Harry Potter with the broom. Anything regarding dicks ain't my cup of tea, cause I love the call me Mr. Fantastic, ass kick rapper nasty, blasting sticky mass and ass and other fat things.
Smoking blunts was a daily routine,
and that's a bad impression of Biggie. I'm so fucking slick that Slick Ricky would slit his wrist and insist that I should be the slickest bitch since the Genesis. Since the Genesis? Yeah, since the Genesis, cause I'm the bestest at good grammar in these sentences. Yeah. I'm cramming verbs like the SATs. Essay please, I got a really long list for you, I call them SATs. You didn't get the joke, so I guess you're a special needs student. Y'all are fake dicks, dildos with no lubricants. Ha! I'm not the brightest man, like the slightest bite of hepatitis can inflate a cell with viral livers. That's me, cause I'm viral, man. Yeah. I swear I'm fucking with more bonds than Bill Nye. H to the O with stilettos, now that's a high tide. Call me Billy Mays, cause I'm still living in 1999.
So I just needed to come back and explain a few things to you guys. So I hope you guys understand. I'm terribly sorry. You know, this sort of thing happens, you know, like